Welcome back to my channel. We are live. We are live. We are live. Hi, brother.
Good
How are you?
evening. I'm okay. Good evening.
Good evening. I'm sorry that we couldn't make it yesterday. We
No
couldn't make
problem.
it
No problem. No,
yesterday.
no
I
problem
forgot
for
to
that.
send you the topic as well. But I was rushing so that you will not fall asleep because I know it is late hour there.
Yeah, over here. But I cannot. I don't sleep so early like that.
We are not going to waste much time. Actually,
Yeah.
the topic is about middle belt. I don't know if you have seen the post of a belt are now testing one of the materials with Biafran Liberation Army. So they are testing
Oh,
they are testing something. So I don't want to mention the name you because of the policy of a thing. So you should know what I mean by that.
I understand. I understand.
So they are really working behind. They are really working behind. I was thinking that alliance will not stand anymore, but it
No,
seems like things are working behind the scene.
don't say you are thinking. The issue is that it will stand because they are the one that need it most, not us. You understand me?
Yeah,
Because
after that lady posted nonsense that she posted, so I felt so.
she's
Uh,
minority.
so-
She her talk not go anywhere. She's minority. Are you getting me? Those
yes,
that wear the shoe know where it is paining them. You understand me?
I think that she's having a problem in her channel now. I think she's having a problem in
Okay.
her channel.
She's supposed to
Anyway,
have. We're
I
fighting.
we are going to quickly look into the activities of a middle belt and different alliance. Yeah, like the topic in our topic says middle belt and different army testing iron to face Fulani terrorists. So I just want us to look into it. And what do you think about your thought about it? But before then, I have to read the post of PM so that
Okay.
you will understand what PM posted. It is very necessary
Okay.
that we respond to this because we were told that the attack in the plateau was only on Christmas Eve. Only
No.
today, only for me to be hearing today that I was thinking that it's only on Christmas Eve. I don't know that it happened 3 good days, 3 consecutive
Yes.
days
24,
on
25,
24,
26.
25, 25, 26. So
Yeah.
where have been the Nigerian army, the security agencies for that 3 good days? Where have they been? And when women of a plateau, women from that region, they protested about the issue. You know, they protested saying that I think one of their king, they went to the king house. One of their, I think the traditional ruler or something like that. They went there and just to protest. And the Nigerian army, the security agencies rushed there and quickly arrest those women. I don't know if you heard the news.
Yes,
So
I had it. I had it.
yes, so showing that they can respond to incidents when there's a crime or something that they want to react, they will react to it quickly. You understand? They will respond to that thing quickly. But when it comes to those people, those Fulanis invading people's home, they kept muted. They don't want to respond to that. So they took 3 to 4 days for them because they are waiting for those people to finish the attack on individuals, indigenous people of Plateau. Why we are reacting and responding to those things is because they are not only choosing one ethnicity. So this is what they wish to everybody, anyone who lives in Nigeria, because to them they believe that as long as jihad is concerned, they have to, take over everything and dominate everyone. So that is why when PM said that when PM announced the alliance between Biafrans and Middle Belt, it was like a thing of joy. Okay, so people will understand what is going on and see if they can form alliance, despite put our differences, aside about what happened in 1967 and all that, what the role of Middle Belt into the Biafra Nigerian War and all that. So, but some gullible one from Plateau came online, started reacting and responding negatively about the whole thing, which PM stopped responding to them. So, only for me to come across his post today on his platform on Twitter, where he attached a video of where they're testing iron, you understand? And he said, breaking, Middle Belt is getting set for the highest resistance. The crying of the indigenous people of Middle Belt Biafrans must end. The next few weeks will be Obara Obara to the Ndị Ogbunigwe in the Middle Belt. Anyone telling the anyone telling the ndị ogbu mmadụ, ndị na-egbu innocent people, women and children, is just for anyone telling those people that are doing those things, women and that are buying women and children, is just for resource control. Is not just an accomplice, but pure evil. What is happening has nothing to do with natural resources. It is pure jihad and ethnic cleansing for Islamization. The buying is religious. Men are testing materials for the days ahead in the Middle Belt. The game has changed. We will not rush. You understand what I'm saying? So this is what PM posted on his platform, responding and to all those people shouting, "No, we are this, we are that, we are going to this, we are going to do that." So it is very, very clear now, very, very clear to me that things are going behind the scene, which is very, very okay. So that is why I said we need to look into it briefly. Um, I was a kind of I was not sure, to support it or to kick against it. But on the second thought, after listening to some of comrade and people that are into the in the government, I realized that it is a thing of joy, because once your neighbor is being protected, you are also protected. You understand? So that is why I wonder, what do you have to say about it?
Okay, thank you for inviting me in the live. My name is Madu Chimamani. What I want to say about it is that, like I said in our program, that freedom is not given, freedom is
Yes.
taken. You understand me? You can never beg your way out. You understand me? Without
Yeah.
the resistance of the youth or the indigenous of Middle Belt, the genocide on in that region will continue be going will still continue going on in the region. You understand me? They need a
Yeah.
strong alliance that will chase them out, that will stop the genocide going on in the region. For example, let's use for example, you know what is going on in Africa today. Like for example, I'm using as an example, like West Africans, without the assistance of the Russians interfere in Mali or Burkina Faso or Niger, I don't think the West, like France or others, will leave that region. Understand? Because they have seen a giant like them. That is why the France or the American or the British or whatever they call themselves leave the region for those people. You understand me? Now,
Yeah.
with that PM, I don't think that anybody will rise to assist them, because the youth are not ready or the men are not ready. Like what I used to say, is there no man in the land? You understand me? Is that no
Yeah.
man in the land? Because once there is man in the land, I believe that atrocity will stop. You understand me? Because someone will say enough is enough. If they don't have any person to say enough is enough, what is going on will keep on going on. Now, PM, the alliance PM is making with the Minibe is one of the best and greatest alliance they have made with make in Nigeria,
Yeah.
because with the alliance is working with middle belt, if we not make the alliance with middle belt or assisting the middle belt, I think because this 2024 is restoration year, the this thing, the Nigeria government wants to fully kick off. The Nigeria government will focus the arrow on us, on the Biafrans. But once the nation as a whole is in crisis, they will not know where to focus the arrow in. They will not focus the arrow on Biafra land. Like our leader used to say that we will take the world to them. I give you Ogoje Ebekeha. That is the
Yeah.
world we are taking to them. That is the move the PA is making now to take the world to them. Because have it in mind, like I said before, that middle belt is the highest in the force of Nigeria. People don't know that. Middle belt
Yeah.
are the highest in the force of Nigeria. And once
It's true.
the youth that is not in the force as hold arms, I believe those that in the force will resign, because they have seen readiness for their youth. They have seen seriousness for the youth. Because why those that have not seen any seriousness in the youth? You understand me?
Exactly.
Like, like Dr. Malafia said, Dr. Malafia said, he said that if Nigeria youth or in the indigenous of Nigeria keep mute, the
They will
Fulanis will
fire
all
everybody.
of them one after the other.
Exactly.
That is what is going on. According to one video that is circulating around the internet, made by a very dark black man. You understand me? A very dark man, according to the video circulating in the internet, he went to Jos, no, to Plateau State, I think Plateau, yes, he went there where the accident occurred.
I saw
According to
it.
his speech, he said
I saw
28
it.
village evacuate, 28 villages. Do you know what he call 28 villages? You understand me? And
My
once
brother.
28 village evacuate, they don't have hope of going back there again. You understand me? But with the alliance they are making with the PM, the indigenous will take the word to them. They will not have the power to come back to fight to evacuate them for their ancestral land. That is why the alliance is making with them is one of the greatest alliance, totally and 100% support and with alliance, because the ones who will back them, they are crying, fighting, looking for who will assist them before the PM put a hand for assistance. They accepted it. Are you getting me?
But
Like you
the
said the
but the
word that
que- but the, I want to ask a question.
okay.
Are they the ones that first approach PM or PM approach them first? Who made the first move?
The issue is that this approachment we are hearing now is not start this year. I don't know if you have it in mind. PF first of all, it's like PF first of all made the middle bets, and it's like they make a conference in US. It's like I'm not too sure. I get me. The thing started last year. The meeting with the middle belt started last year, not this year. You understand me? Due to the crisis in Jos, that is the crisis in Jos, Adamawa, Yobe, and Plateau, all those that provoked them to go back to the agreement they make with PM. Because they know that they know that if they don't go back to the agreement, what is happening will be it will keep on increasing, and nobody will talk for them. Like he make a speech here. He said that the women protest to the king house or the ruler's house and set it
Yes.
ablaze. And they set it ablaze. I know about the story. I understand me. Now,
Yeah.
before the army come for resistance to stop them,
Yes.
when
Yes.
when the Fulani is just ancestral home, 3 days, where is the security of the Nigeria? You
That
understand
is
me?
it.
Where is the
That is my
security of the
question.
Nigeria?
Where were
Are they
they?
telling, they don't tell that they are chasing the out. This is an open field. I have seen the video. It's an open field. We know that there is street here or it's forest. They don't have to fight them, but they only have aircraft to fight Biafrans. I get me. That is why
Yeah.
I say that this year is our year of restoration. It means that this year the whole country will be on fire. You understand me? What I mean by fire, Oko, the whole country will begin on Oko. You understand me? Because when we want That's the discussion of the economic. You understand me? The discussion of the economic is all argument because PN, I love the move in take with the middle belt. That is the greatest best move you have take in Nigeria. I know that you have taken a move with the Duduwa Republic, but they are not interested. They are not serious due to their brother in power. You understand me? That is why they are not serious. But this middle belt own, it is choking them. It is really choking them, and they want assistance. I'm so happy for the PM for to assist them in the battle. Thank you for that.
That is a very 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 good news because I was thinking that middle after reading the post of that young lady, I was thinking that maybe are we forcing ourselves on them? What is going on? But if like you said, the voice of one person, a minority, cannot control the entire, cannot control all the fate of everybody in the country. You understand? Now
Yeah.
you made mention of this year is a year of restoration of Biafra and declaration of Biafra. Yes, 1 hour ago, PM made a post on that, which is very, very interesting. All this thing makes me so happy, in terms of the map. He's following the plan he have at hand. He said this breaking: Biafra will be declared in October this year, 2024, in Helsinki, Finland, during Biafran's second convention. Every effort must gear towards this declaration. Now you understand when I said I know the day Biafra will come. Continue playing.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Like you just read now. If you
Yeah,
understand, there is one power or one secret only PA and our leader know about it. You understand me? There's a
yeah,
time, not mistaken, 2 years ago when they kidnapped our leader, they asked PA say, I know the day Biafra will come. You understand me? I
yeah,
don't know you
yeah,
used to hear this word from him. They
yeah,
asked
yeah,
him, how you know the date? Why Masina can't know the date? And say, PA reply say, can you know the date? Have you told that you don't know the date? And say, can our leader knows the date of they will stop Biafra. You understand me? Now
yeah.
that is why our leader said that if I tell you the secret of restoring Biafra, you will spoil it for me. I feel if you can understand since last year, Mbamund, the strategies of our PM is doing everything fast, 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 fast. You get me? That is why increase the state of Biafrans with the local government and other things that involve the state, the senate, senatorial zone, the local everything, create everything. The time is fast approaching. I get me because
Yeah.
he have captured the water level. You understand me? The water area. He have captured it. Some week ago, the chief of staff of Musa Ward, he said that we are about to lose the air space to the Biafra Liberation Army. I don't know whether you saw that
Yes,
post. But
I saw it.
you understand
I
me?
saw it.
Now they have known that they have used the waterway to Biafrans, and the only way now they are fighting now is the airspace. You understand me? When they lose the airspace, the battle have end. Because the PM don't to rush the airspace because the airspace is once you capture an airspace, that is the highest opportunity. That is the highest capture you have achieved. I get me. Due to
Yeah.
we are still using the airspace, he cannot capture it as for now. We want to make the economic of the country cashless before you capture the
Yeah.
airspace so that everybody will not go anywhere. Now, like I said about the declaration you said in Finland this October,
Yeah.
the first conversion they made in Finland. People don't know about the meaning of conversion. You understand me? Once you are educated, you know the meaning of conversion they made in Finland. Some people are not convention, one, two, meaning of prime minister in exile. They don't know, you understand me? They don't know the meaning of that thing. If once you are educated, you know the meaning of that conversion it made in Finland. They are votes that occur there. Appointed is different by elected. Are you getting me? PM
Yeah.
is elected. You understand me? According to the Biafra government, is that PM, the international law is that he have the right to control his territory. You understand me? He have the right
That is,
to I mean,
you made mention of something just now that about the airspace. You understand that that army chief of army staff Musa was complaining that the Biafran Liberation Army have seized the airspace in Biafra land. Today,
yes,
also in according to PM, that the Biafran Liberation Army has activated the air defense in Osumo, Okigwe, and Oru airspace. We are calling on all Biafran civilians in this area to remain indoor from 11 p.m. tonight, from this night. You understand? So
yes,
what is like he normally said is a gradual process.
yes.
One step at a time. Once you move from this place, then another place, and all that. But the annoying part of this whole thing, the way Nigerian military and security agencies are going, is that it is too. It is when you are doing something and you are doing it, you are hiding it. Is totally different from when you are doing something and you are proving that, look, I'm doing it because I know you cannot do anything, and I know you cannot just they are rubbing it on your.
Okay. Now,
We this military, this Nigerian military of a thing that security agencies. Remember, most of them happen to be repentant Boko Haram.
there
You
are
understand? So now, before now, we have in Yoruba land we have a group they're called what is the name of this?
Omotoko, Omotoko again self.
No, not Omateku. This one is there's a group that even African China used that in his song
Okay, this in
OPC. OPC.
OPC,
Okay.
yes,
Now,
yes.
have you heard that the Nigerian government recruited OPC member in Nigerian military?
Now, let me reply you. Are you getting me?
Mm.
Okay. The OPC you talk about, this is the strategy they want to use in Biafra in ESN. The time our leader launched it, no. Are you getting me? OPC is a political movement. People don't know about it. Are you getting me now? Because
Yeah.
OPC, are they using arms? What are they using? It's not batting, cack and shoot. Are you getting me? Operation. That's what they're using. This is a political movement. They have corrupted. That's what happened on Motoko. Motoko, when they
No,
launch it, no, before they
no,
corrupt it.
I understand
Huh?
what you're saying. I understand what I'm saying, what we are trying to say, but I want to arrive at on something. Why I
Okay.
say so is that every part of Nigeria have one armed group or another. You understand? And
Yes.
only Fulani people have different agenda, which is to terrorize others to take their land. OPC have never moved from Yoruba land to attack any other people that are not from Yoruba, like to drag land or to pave way for indigenous Yoruba people to conquer any other part in Nigeria. There was a time we have Bakassi in Anambra and some part of Abia. You understand? So
Yes.
this then Bakassi was operating just to safeguard the security and safety of Anambarians and their properties and all that. Sanctioned by the then governor of Anambra, I think that is that. What's the name of this man? I forgot the name of the man who was the governor of Anambra State. Who he is the one that created and formed that Bakassi. Okay,
Yeah.
so but there
But
was never a time. There was never a time we had in the news that Bakassi people have repented that they are not joining Nigerian army. Why is it that only Fulani people are using this military Nigerian army to make Boko Haram to become official group, official or government agency in Nigeria, knowing fully well that these people are after people's lives and they are jihadists. So the aim of Boko Haram is a religious militant. So you can't use that to compare other group. You understand? So in Niger Delta we had militants. There was a time they were
Avengers.
militant, yes, Avengers. So Yet Nigerian army was unable to recruit them to Nigerian army. But when it comes to these Fulani people, it is so easy for them to say, okay, join Nigerian army. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay,
So continue.
I'm hearing.
You
Okay,
want to say
now
something?
let me tell you something about what is going on in the recruitment of Fulanis or Boko Haram in army. If you go to the history of freedom of conquering of a nation, now look at what happened in Afghanistan. That's the template of Afghanistan. If you don't know about it, now go and study of taking of Taliban taking over Afghanistan. That's the template they are using. Now, look at what happened to Lebanon. That's the template of taking over of Lebanon. Are you getting me now? They don't use the template to take over Nigeria due to the citizens are wise, due to the Biafrans that is stopping them. Because the only template of you taking over a nation is by the military to put fear in the citizens. You understand me? Because the military is the only one made to hold rifle in Africa, especially. Are you getting the point now?
Yeah.
Because Taliban, the history of Taliban, the president in power is a Taliban. You understand? The president in power is a Taliban. Now, what he did is that he keep on recruiting. He put that Taliban into military. If they went for war front, the Taliban will kill the military. Three, they infiltrate, they pollute the military of Afghanistan. You understand me? That is what happened in the nation of Nigeria. If you look now, since over how many years, no mistake, more than 5 years ago, up to now, the Igbos youth are not joining military again. If you can observe it,
Yes.
you understand me now?
Yes.
The Igbos
Yes.
youth are not joining military again. I think last year, not mistakenly, Joe Biden of USA raised alarm, say, why is Nigeria youth not joining military? They should go and join military. I don't know he had it. I get him the point now.
No,
Now,
I did not.
okay, if you follow my page, you see, and I have all this for you to go and join the military of Nigeria. You understand me? Because well, okay, you ask yourself, since over 5 years ago, have Nigeria template of the city, the military that eh? And they tell us the template of the military equipment. They have not told us we have 100 or 200 or 2,000 or 5,000 military equipment. Because I believe that every week they will have at all 20 equipment in the military. Are you getting me?
Do you
Times
know
five.
that Nigeria is the only country that buried their soldiers in a mass grave?
I know
Mass
about it.
grave.
I know. I've seen the
So,
videos.
and you also made mention of using military to conquer and to control, to create fear in minds of people for you to control them. In before
Yes.
now, Turkey, Turkey we know today, Turkey was a Christian country. I don't know if you're aware of
Yes.
that.
I know about
So
it.
it was the same template they use in Turkey that made Turkey what Turkey
Okay.
is today.
I
You
know.
know, yeah, make other religion handicap them so that make them to go hunger, squeeze their life, make them to suffer so that they will when they are searching for freedom or the benefit, they can see that look, oh, people that are Muslim are enjoying this and are getting this free. So for you to get it free, you have to convert.
Okay.
In the case of Nigeria, it's not that if you convert, you will have the same membership or citizenship with those Fulani people or Osman for those descendants. They will still discriminate you. I was told also in some of the mosques in the north, people from Hausa people don't officiate their prayer, Friday prayer, when a Fulani man is in the mosque. So
Yes.
they have this citizenship membership, or I don't know what to call it, among themselves. So that a country you should be proud of? Is that what they want us to be? And
Yeah.
the most annoying part of it is that our own political leaders are doing little or nothing to even make anything meaningful, to make any meaningful way to safeguard or even make our people to have even a value at all. So that is why anyone who is fighting PM is making a very huge mistake. A very huge mistake.
like like I used to say about freedom, are you getting me? Like I used to say about freedom, no of our politician that is free, no matter how much you have. You understand me now?
Yeah.
Like I used to say about freedom, no of our politician is free that is free, be in heaven and earth. Audio Okalu is not free. He is the richest man. You understand me?
Yeah.
Atwede is not free. He's the richest man. They are the richest men in Igbo land. They are not free, including your governor, my governor, our governor. No one is free because what we want is a total freedom. Because with this hand going on in the country, it can never be free. Like what I'm saying about
But
Middle Belt, for
they,
example. Now,
that
I'm hearing.
they are not free is not an excuse for them not to fight for their freedom. If you are not free, what will you do? Are you going to keep on saying, "Okay, I'm not free, I'm not free"? You need to do something to be free.
I know. You know, once you suppress or once you do above a part, they will impeach you. You understand me? They will impeach you because they have.
Because they have sold their hand in one thing and another.
That is
Because
why they are not free. That is why they are not free. Because I will only be the case file of my enemy. Have it in mind. You understand me? I will
yeah,
not bring a case file of my friend. If my friend is a thief today now, for example, now, I will never bring his file and give to the court. But if my enemy is a thief, I'll bring his file and present to the court. Because I believe that all of them have a cockroach in their cupboard. You understand me?
exactly. Yeah,
Oh, they have a cockroach in the cupboard. Now, Hope doesn't have a cockroach in his cupboard. Also with Abu Kamalami have a cockroach in his cupboard. Are you getting me? But they are not controlling Hope due to they put Hope there. If Hope go against the law, they will bring his cockroach out. You understand me? You understand the politics are playing. That is
I
why I say
understand it very, very well.
more of them is some of them are doing the thing without they are not happy of what they are doing. But due to what they are still in bondage, they are not free. That is why they only keep mute. Nobody will be happy. See that primary is subject in keep mute. Have it in mind. Nobody will be happy. You understand me? Like, for example, now, you know the story of what happened, what caused the second civil war, like we heard about it, that
Yeah,
Germany say, how can a German apologize to a British? You understand me? Just for
yeah.
according to this, how we heard the story, how can a German apologize to a British? Because the Adolf Hitler then believe that his subject is number one. You understand me? His subject is number one. What make a leader is that your subject will be number one. Only thing that what make a governor of a state, he is the first citizen of the state. You understand me? His subject is his people. You need the life of his people should be his number one aim. You understand the game now? But due to they have sold the hand in money, what key a man is bribe. Bribed. Never take bribe. Once you take bribe, you even though they are killing your brother, your mother, your sister, you keep mute because you have stained your hand. You understand me? Our topic state that the middle belt. If you look all middle belt have prominent men that can say enough is enough, but they have
But
also
another thing I would like you to clear this. Since we
okay.
have since the military since Middle Belt have enough men in Nigerian army, it was considered that they have many people. They are easily recruit those Middle Belt to Nigerian army. Why do they have enough people in Nigerian army and yet their place is being bombarded by
Okay.
terrorists?
Yes, if you can observe what happened about the Civil War, Biafra Civil War, 1967 to 70, you understand me? They used the middle belt to fight the war. Fulani don't used to go into forces. Have it in mind. They don't go into forces. They
Their
bring.
own is to come out and they attack and run.
Thank you. You understand me? Now, the only opportunity for them to use to fight the war, you know that middle belt is the highest in the northern region. We have 19 states in the northern region. So middle belt is over almost how many states inside that 19? Middle belt is almost 12 or more, no, more than almost 12, if I'm not mistaken. Middle is the highest state in the in the northern region. I get me now.
Okay.
Now they can only use middle belt to commit those crises, those offense. And again, those people that in the army in the middle belt, they became army when Nigeria is unite. You understand me? Not this time. This time now, if you can observe the recruitment of army now, they are only recruiting repentant Boko Haram into the military. Have it in mind. You understand me?
Okay,
And
so what you are saying is that the record I'm talking about is before, not current record, right?
yes, that before record,
Oh,
actually that is before record, but current record now, because if you do observe since Boko Haram started existing, those that are sending for war front are middle belt army. Have it in mind. You understand me?
okay.
They are sending middle belt army in the war front. If you, for example, if you hear that they kill 100, the permit 100 military, out of the 100, middle belt is almost 70, 80. You understand the game
There's
now?
another there's another video of a middle veteran saying that these people they will go to their houses, and ask them to give them money. That one on one, the person this Fulani will tell them that I will not kill you today. I am here just for your money. Give me money. That like you will tell the person that today is not the day I will kill you. Okay, sorry, today is not the day I will buy you. You understand? So that I'm not going to buy you today. All I want is the money. You understand? So that kind of that so which means these people, you'll be living your life knowing that one day, maybe one day without your consent, this person will come and buy you. So it is very obvious. And the man even said in that video that they have already blocked our way. We cannot go out. We have they have limited their movement, which means nothing goes for nothing. For them to form an alliance with PM with different government now simply means they are going through hell, because normally these are the people who hate anything about our people or to even talk anything good from our people. But for them now to say, okay, let's form alliance with different government in exile, is a welcome development. But I hope that they will not turn their catapult against our people. That's another thing. I hope it will not turn somehow.
Let me, like you said about, you hope they will not betray our PM. Have it in mind. If you beg me for if I have 10 spoons, for example, you beg me for
Mm.
spoon, I will only give you 2 or 3. You understand me? Because the other 7 is for my own protection. You understand me? If they can betray, if you think that they can betray Biafrans or Biafra Liberation Army, for example, ask yourself, the DOS department, they have tried all the best. What is their achievement? They
Forget,
cannot do that.
forget,
Those that,
forget,
yeah?
forget about those. Forget about those ones for now. Let's focus on our topic.
Okay.
those ones are those ones are weak.
You understand me? Now the issue is that the middle belt really need our help this time around. You understand me? They really need our help, because with our help they will be free. Because I have a map in my phone about how they will divide Nigeria. I know about it into 4. You understand me? I have the map, the main map of it.
How do you do it?
Huh?
You said you have what in your phone that we about how to divide Nigeria. I don't quite get it.
I have the map of how they will divide Nigeria into 4 parts of it. The full map of Nigeria, how they divided it. Yeah, you understand me?
Okay.
Now, why the middle belt make a strong move now with the PN is that they want that if anything that occur in the round table, they will be there present to talk. They don't want to left
Okay.
behind. That is the
Okay.
strategies. Nobody last year, when they are not done their election, the Yoruba thinking that Biafra is going last year. That's why they put more effort. Anything that they heard that Biafra our PR have take move, they don't know when we will have our freedom. Everybody put more effort. You understand me? Because they want that anything that occur, they say, okay, let's peace the country. Because if you
They,
not
they,
fight for
they, also,
freedom,
they also need to make a move as well.
yes, if you not fight for freedom, they cannot just give you a freedom like that. That is why everyone want
Yeah.
to
Okay. We have to call it an end for today, because I don't want this to be 1 hour. We already almost 40 minutes. The time is running so fast. It's running so fast. Okay, so what is your final take on this move, the alliance of Middle Belt and Biafra? Do you have any words for Biafrans?
Yes, thank
Oh,
you. What I would say about the movement between Biafra and the Middle Belt is that let the Middle Belt focus on their goal. Let their goal be their goal. You understand me? Let them don't betray
yeah,
themselves. What matters in freedom is about focus. Let the eye be on the ball. Let them don't betray themselves. And let the youth in the Middle Belt to assist in the freedom. Not the youth we are ready to hold catapult for it. Are they ready to assist the youth? Let the elite of the Middle Belt assist them. Those that are in diaspora and those that are at home should assist. One area is important in freedom fighting. You understand me? Let, let the assist and let them follow the instruction. When they say go, you go. When they say stop, you stop. Are you getting me? Let them follow the instruction
yeah.
of the PM. PM want the now that they meet that they meet that PM for assistance, he have the heart of gold. Let them use the heart of gold and meet him too, so that that goal will be achieved. Because PM have shared about the genocide occurring in the Middle Belt. He's not happy about it. That is why he's ready to assist them. Let them too be ready to defend their land. To defend your land, let them defend their land. We will assist them because freedom is not given. You must take your freedom. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. We are going to come to an end for now. Thank you, Biafrans. Please remember that tomorrow is fundraising. If you, no matter what you are, and no matter how much you have, anywhere you can support, please come out tomorrow and do the needful. Thank you all and have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now. Thank you, my
Bye
brother.
bye. Yeah, you're welcome.